Hello, good morning everyone. Here we go again. It's Thursday. Thursday na ba ngayon? It's Wednesday. Friday na pala ngayon. Tignan nyo naman ang lola. Ngayon, I'm going to prepare banana. This banana, organic banana from the backyard. Yes, my dad harvested this one yesterday. Wala ako, kaya hindi ko nakita to. I supposed to harvest this banana from the tree. Pero ang problema ko, walang cameraman ko. So, now I'm going to show you how to cook banana cube, guys. The ingredients is banana. These are the ingredients, guys. There are bananas, that sugar, optional, guys, kasi matamis na. Pero in Philippines, they like banana cube, guys. Banana cube is life in the Philippines if it's already cooked. Pero pag hindi naluto, is dyan lang nabubulok, is mostly for the fish. Okay? Bananas, that sugar, this is optional, and of course, loaded of oil. Ito na lang, yes. And while we're doing that, magkape naman tayo, guys. Magkape. Mag-milk na lang tayo. Mag-milk na lang muna para naman hindi tayo ma-dehydrate. Coffee lang. No, not coffee, just milk. So, there you go, guys. Nag-wash na ako ng hands kanina, pero it's better if I wash again. Okay. Now, I'm going to cut some of the banana. Yan, ang paggagawa ni auntie dito, guys. No need to tanggal from the sapad para naman binugasan ko na to, guys. I already washed this already para naman diretso ang tapon mamaya. And these things can feed into that. Sorry, guys. It's a bit sorry. Magkape na muna. Ang walang yan naman to. Okay, let's drink coffee first para naman mas maganda ang sore throat ko. Gatas lang to, guys. And of course, if very thick, you cut another piece again para madaling maluto, para hindi all oil, diba? Minsan, we're really eating, even though sabihin mong organic, even though you said organic, we still eating the very unhealthy one, especially here in the Philippines. We love frying this banana. Okay, I'm done with this bananas. Now I'm going to reheat my pan. Yes, I'm going to reheat my pan. Make sure magluluto tayo ngayon ng banana cube banana queen tayo ngayon. Right, we're having banana queen with this banana. Okay, let me handle this one first. Kasi nagluto na ako kanina ng another thing. Pero ngayon, ulitin natin uli. Yes, these are the bananas. There you go. My pan is ready. Nagluto na ako na kanina ng sample. Now, I'm going to fry this one. Luto ko to fry. Yes. Fry ko to, guys, para makita nyo. I'm not a good cook, guys, but I'm trying. Ito lang, nag-iimbento na lang ako dito kasi wala na akong matrabaho kung hindi kumain. Of course, there you go. While we're waiting for that, I'm going to keep continuing. Oh my God. Ba yan? Ano pa nangyayari dyan? Yes, there we go. Ang gulo ng kusina ko. Of course, this is Philippines. Yes, and sana just showing you my banana stuff here. And diyan ko sana gagawin sa may table, pero mas maganda dito na lang sa may. There you go. Ito na lang para hindi ko nabuhat-buhatin. I'm not fussy with this thing. And of course, hi Beth J. Tayaban. How are you? And shout out to you and to your family out there. Para naman, sana naman you're always good and everything fine. Oo. I'm cooking banana cue. Trying hard ang lola mo. Hindi naman siya marunong magluto ng banana cue. We only buy this one in the street vendors. Lalo na sa mga din sa my sidewalks. Masarap kasi pag binibili. And everything free here in our garden. Kaso nga lang, mas masarap talaga pag binibili. And you know that. Okay, now I'm in the middle of these things. So I'm going to carry all these things all the way down here. Hi, Dada Tata. There you go. This is Dada Tata. Good morning, darling. Yes. Here's a ready-made one. Normally, kung ako lang ang masusunod dito, I don't need to put sugar. Pero Filipino tradition, wow, tradition ba yun? Is that right? Filipino style, they put sugar with the loaded of oil. But I try to minimize the oil, hindi lang sa kukuriputan. It's just because we need healthy living life. Right? Yan lang ang style. Siguro ito na lang pamerienda ko kung yes, we're going dayang-dayang tonight. Yes, I'm pretty sure I'm going to attend the dayang-dayang. Yes. Okay, this is this is called banana cue in my queen version. Queen version, guys, not like my own version. Banana queen version, of course. Here's the Lola. Here's the Lola Queen of bananas. And of course, I forgot to, yes. Anyway, this is the finished product which I tried first before I do this cooking. Anyway, luto na rin ito. So, tanggalin ko na lang kasi baka masunog pa. There you go. Sarap, guys. There you go. Tapos na ang lutuhan ni Lola, guys. Now, of course, dito ko na lang din kainin para is the style. Mayroon siyang small, parang cabinet. Ano to? Tawag parang bar nito. Para hindi na tayo dediretso dyan sa table na prepare all these things. Kaya ito. There you go. Bagong gising pa lang ako, ha. But of course, I'm using my pajama before. Maybe sabihin nyo, hindi na ako nagpapalit from last night. I'm using pajama during the night, of course. Hindi nyo nakikita yun, but this one. Okay, no need to explain those things. These are the finished product. Okay. Kailangan natang ilaw. Yes, kailangan ang ilaw, guys. Yes, there you go. This is together with milk, guys. Magnolia. Oh, i-advertise ko ng Magnolia. Okay. It's a really good one here, the milk also. Like in Hong Kong, you can feel the freshness of the milk. Really, it's really milk. And now, I cook with this. I'm going to show you my banana cube, guys. Here's the banana cube. I need to cut this into 2 or 3, depends on the size of the banana. Kasi we avoid all fats. If possible, we avoid all fats. It's really good, guys. And then, hope you can have this one in the Philippines next time. Okay, now I have to read who's in the line, who's in the house. Okay, Beth J. Taymaya, SW. Okay, good morning to you. Thank you for watching. And Dada Tata, how are you? Hello everyone out there in Ucapon, Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya, Ambasa, Nueva Vizcaya. Nueva Vizcaya pa ba? Ambasa, no idea with that. And of course, the people of Hong Kong, my followers, my friends, my lovely customers. How are you guys there? And okay. Yan lang, kayo lang naman dahil. So, it's okay. Bar counter, yes, there's a bar counter. Hey, pero old-fashioned na, syempre. Anong old na ako? I'm already lola. So, you have to think how many years na rin to. Yeah. How's the weather there? Oh, it's great. The weather is so great here. Wala na si Daddy. He's already in his project na lang. It's just, yeah. I don't want to go there because so sunny, and of course my time is at the afternoon, not too early kasi wala din akong naitutulong din kung akong magsalita doon so many things to suggest para akong naman baka mamaya iiwan pa ako ng mga mga nagtatrabaho doon. So, I better stop. And then, yes, thank you, Ching Marinas Dulza. Good morning to you. And of course, I miss you guys there in Hong Kong. And of course, shout out to you and to your family here in Somil, Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya, and Ibong, Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya. Magdayang-dayang daw rin para tayo mamaya from Labrador's family in Ocapon, Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya. Dayang-dayang tayo. I'll try kasi may appointment ako din bukas by tomorrow, but I'll try to go there tonight. Of course, busy ang lola niyo all the time. Pag gandito tayo, busy lang dyan kasi we don't want to waste a single hour, a single minute in every time we come back in the Philippines. Di ba ganun din kayo? Of course, makaka-relate din kayo, guys. So, here we go. And here's the banana. Okay, please eat your breakfast as well in front of your table para naman tayo sabay-sabay kumain, guys. Ang sarap, I'm sure. Nasasarapan kayo dito. Okay, I'll try. Ang sarap, guys. Kung ako lang masunod, hindi na malagyan ng asukal. At hindi na rin ipiprito. I think it's better if you just steam it. But I'll do that later. Steam banana. Probably that's more, and definitely is more healthy. Especially, this is banana is really organic. Now, guys, make sure you eat banana pala every day. It's good for the heart and it's potassium, guys. We really need to eat banana. But this banana is, of course, with oil na, with sugar and everything there. So, it's still good, but avoid eating those oils and sugary. And I know that's not healthy, but of course, Philippine loves banana Q, guys. Okay. There you go then. Thank you for watching. Baka gusto nyong i-store kayo muna dun sa labas. Yeah, let's see. Itur ko kayo muna doon sa labas. Yeah. Here's the weather today. Wala nang papaya. Everything. Yes. The weather today is good, great, sunny, and labahan blues ngayon. Yes, it's really good weather today. Yan. Yes. Ang ganda, right? And of course, yan na ang, yes. Yan na ang mga old-fashioned na nangyayari dito. Of course, you can see the pine tree. I think we need to, there's a small papaya here. Very small papaya, is a baby one, yes. And some nga. Yeah. There you go. I think the weather is gonna be great the whole week today, hopefully. Kasi, pero nagdadark na, umaalis na yung cloud dun sa itaas. Can't you see that? Oh my God. Yeah. Umaalis na. So I can see the mountain at the back na. Yung Ambasa ba yun? No, not Ambasa. The mountain right at the Bulan. Hello, Bulan people? How are you guys there? How I wish to go there soon next time and of course have a walk. Gusto ko ring mag-walk dyan kasi I'm only walking next to our current drying station. So of course, hopefully I can go there and have fun and of course do exercise, walking. Alam nyo na, tumataba ang lola nyo. Yan na yata ang ginawa, kumain na lang. So okay. Bulan. People, Bulan, Somil, Villaverden, Nueva Vizcaya, shout out to you guys. Enjoy life, guys. That's the way, enjoy life. Don't think too much. Kasi at the end of the day, we all going naked. Diba? Enjoy life. Money is just a material thing, guys. Kaya kung meron ng konti, tama na. Kailan ka pa ba uuwi pag naka-wheelchair ka na? Think about it, guys. Kaya na ako umuwi kasi super pagod na. So, whatever we have here, La Bandera na dito, they're having good life. Guys, you think about that, guys? So, those working overseas, don't send every penny in your family. Just send the necessary thing. Basta mag-ipon lang kayo ng konti for your future. Hindi tayo malakas palagi, right? That's all my rin ngayon masasabi ko every time I vlog meron na yata parang ang sakit isipin na uuwi kayo na walang-wala. Oo, ang meron man kayong makukuha from boss. It takes maybe hindi pa naman nag 1 million. Meron namang 1 million sa mga talagang very generous employers, but not all. Ang 1 million ngayon, isang araw mo lang gagamitin, guys. So please, wala nang milyones ngayon. There's no use of million this time. So, guys, uwi na tayo. Take your own risk. Basta, kung meron na, at bata-bata pa kayo, okay na. Kasi mahirap ng, and reminders to newlyweds, guys, wag na kayong magpakasal kung mag-a-abroad yung isa and eventually, anong mangyari, hiwalay yan, guys. Bata-bata pa kayo. Pag matanda na, okay, go. Go to your own way. I'm going to my own way. Ganun lang yun sa pag matanda na. But while you're young, better think million times. Don't ever do that kasi kung ano man nangyari sa mga nanay natin, tatay natin, neighbors natin, that things definitely happen to you. Kaya pag meron ng konti, guys, dyan na lang tayo, dito na lang tayo, and kung meron konting ipon, okay na tayo doon. Don't wish for more. Yes, okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Napadami na naman ang lola nyo. And of course, I love the weather, guys. Look at that. Surrounded of mountain. Okay. See you, guys. I love you and hope to see you soon. It's really beautiful weather. Kaso nga lang, nagtatago ang lola nyo under roof kasi super init. Okay. Bye. Good night. And of course, take care of yourself. That's the important one. And love your partner. Love your family. And of course, don't forget to pray up there. And of course, see you later. Please, don't hesitate to call me if you have time para man akong kausap. And please don't forget to follow, comments, like, and share, guys. I love you all. See you around. Kape muna tayo para ituloy ko yung work kong Banana Queen. Bye. See ya.